it. So let's review how to solve it, and then I'm going to have you work with a partner. We'll probably do 3 of these together, and then you can work with a partner. Okay, so remind me the strategy for choosing a common denominator. Multiply the denominators. So remember, we moved that to the bottom. So the 6 goes down there. And that's because we're going to have a mixed number. Whoops. What did I do wrong? Didn't I only need 2 sets of equal signs? Yeah. I'll move that up. Okay, because the last one's going to be my mixed number. All right, so tell me what to write on the first row, Chaston.
2/3
Times
2
equals 4/6. Okay, and not here. Chris, tell me what to write on the second row.
1/2
Times
2.
no 3.
Yeah, 3.
Okay, so I have 4/6 plus 3/6 equals 7/6. Okay, so that means I need another equal sign. And I'm going to go ahead and draw this. You don't need to draw it because you're going to actually do this problem. But let's go ahead and put 7/6 here. This is just reminding you how we thought through this last week. Okay? All right, so Diana, how much would 1 whole be if I take it out? How many sixths? 6/6. Okay. And how many are left over? Okay. So that's what we're going to write. 7/6 equals 6/6 plus 1/6 equals 1 1/6. Okay. And that's my answer that I need to circle. How are we doing? Okay. So now I want to go to the back side of this. And we're going to do E together. Now this one I can look at right away. Do 4 times 6. What do I get? 24. That's a pretty big number. I wonder if we're going to have to simplify. We'll find out. So go ahead and get it set up as with 24 as the common denominator. Okay, what did you write on the first row, Peyton? 3/4 times what? Somebody tell me. I'm recording. I need the answer. 6. Okay. And the second row, Van, what am I multiplying by? We just multiplied by 6.
Oh.
What do I multiply by?
4.
Okay, these are large numbers, aren't they? So I have 18 plus 20, which equals, now I know it's not more than 2, because that would be 48, right? So I'm still going to be less than 2, but here's what I have. I have 38 24ths. And if I take out 1 whole, that would be what? Now, how do I figure out what is left? Anybody know the problem I need to do?
38.
Subtract, good. 38 minus,
24.
and I could actually do it right here, couldn't I? 8 minus 4 is, and 3 minus 2 is, so what do I have? 14 24ths. So write this down. 38 24ths equals 24 24ths plus 14 24ths equals 1 and 14 24ths. And we're going to simplify. Give me a second here. I want to think about the strategies on the anchor chart. Okay? So the first one says, is 14 half of 24? No. Close. It's half of 28. Okay? Can I divide by 14? No. Can I divide by 2 or 3?
Yes.
Which one?
2.
2. So everybody write this down. And don't forget, you're going to rewrite your whole number here. So 14 divided by 2
7.
and 24 divided by 2. So on your exit ticket for the first one, there's a chance you might have to simplify. So go through the steps on your anchor chart. Put a star by this. It's like the first one on your exit ticket. Okay, let's go down and do number 2 now. And we don't have to draw a picture because Mrs. Lewis said so. That's nice, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, Penny used 2/5 pound of flour to bake a vanilla cake. She used another 3/4 pound of flour to bake a chocolate cake. How much flour did she use altogether? This is pretty simple. So what's my problem?
2 fifths plus 3/4.
Good. And then equals, equals, equals. So my common denominator, Damien, is what? 20. Lane, what'd you write on the first row? 2/5 times what?
4.
Times 4 gives me what fraction? 8 20ths. What'd you write on the second row, Melanie?
3/4 times 5.
Good, and that gives me, so I have 8 20ths plus 15 20ths. Jefferson, what's 8 plus 15? Okay. So do you remember the number bond? Does that help you? If you don't need it, that's fine. But if you do need it, use it. So how many are left over?
3. 20.
Good. So tell me what to write, Daniel, on this last set of equal signs.
23 20th equals 1 and 3 20th.
20 20ths
Oh,
plus,
3 20th equals 1 and 3 20th.
good. You've got a word problem on your exit ticket that has a denominator of 5 and 4. So put a star by this one. It could possibly help you, okay, on the second one on your exit ticket. All right, so what I want you to do right now, so I want you to go back to the beginning. I might rearrange partners, I don't know, but I'm going to have you work on the problems we haven't done yet with a partner. And what that means is you do it on your own and you check your answer with them. We'll come back and look at the exit ticket here in a few minutes, okay? Okay, I want you to look at the exit ticket and I'm gonna have you write a word down. Okay? Okay, first of all, you do not have to draw a model, but you will have to actually write the problem, won't you? So that you can add your equal signs. Okay? Now here's what I want you to write down. Circle mixed number. That means you're going to have a whole number mixed up with a fraction. And then right beside that, I want you to write simplify. You need to change it to a mixed number before you divide your fraction to make it smaller. Okay? So circle mixed number, that comes first. Then simplify comes second. Okay? Don't get busy simplifying because it might mess you up. Take out one whole first, then simplify. Okay? And then this bottom one, you do not need to simplify. And you do not have to draw a picture on it either. But are you going to have to write the problem down? Yes. So read it. Make sure you're adding. But I know we're adding because look. It says all together. Okay? Any questions? All right. Bring that to me when you're finished. Then I want you to make sure you're done with Lesson 4, Zern. Good job.